So we have here the spray booth, airbrush spray booth from eBay, model number BD510A, and it says dynamic power. All right. I think this came from Sydney or Melbourne, but originally I'm assuming it would have come from China. If you open up this front bit, and then you open up this bit, that's how easy it is to open up and get started. Basically, you can see in here is your filter, and then behind that filter is a fan like that, just there, and we can see the fan in there, just like the fan in your computer. Okay, so close that one back up. Okay, so there you have the filters back on. All you want to do is to close it down again, hold that down, hold this back up like that, and then it's back into suitcase form basically. So at the back is the hose. The hose comes with it, and this little thing here, just like a portable air conditioner. This sits in your window to let the air and fumes out. You have a button here that is for your, hold that down, for your cord, your power cord. Press the button, it retracts the cord just like on a vacuum cleaner. Okay, this one is for lights and fan, and then you press the other side and it is for just the fan. Okay, this hose just clips on with this little metal clip like that, and you just put it down, and that is basically it. That it all comes together. All you have to do is basically put this hose on, put the hose onto the plastic thing that goes in the window, and then put the hose onto the back of the box. Okay, it also comes with a turntable that sits on there like that, so if you're painting a model car or something, you can rotate it, or if you're painting a figurine, you can rotate it around to undercoat the back side or paint the back side or whatever. And that basically is it. Everything comes in one box, very small. It's only probably 40 centimeters by maybe 30 centimeters. It's not that big at all. All right, guys, so let's get it set up and see how well it works.